Hello guys, this is an unboxing video for the DJI Ronin S. Alright, so I just got this in Nigeria, and I did open it. I did have it open before. I just, I packed everything back just to show you first time users or whoever is planning to use it, what you get out of the box when you buy the Ronin S. This is not the Ronin Essential Kit, this is the Ronin S. I'm guessing that what you have in the Ronin Essential Kit is going to be different from what is in this box. So here's the box, lovely packaging as usual. This almost looks like when I got my Phantom Pro. Alright, so let's get this open, and we have the traditional styrofoam that comes also with the Phantom product, and awesome looking device. I used to use the Zhiyun crane, the Zhiyun crane 2, V2. I had a couple of them before, but this looks awesome. I've been waiting for this, and they have a hand grip there. The hand grip looks really nice. It has rubber on it, and we have a base, a tripod base, just so that we can stand our gimbal whenever we want to use it. And yeah, I really love this hand grip. This has some rubber on it, meaning that I could really have a grip on this for quite a long time. For the Zhiyun I used to use is just a metal body, and at some point it gets a little bit slippery, or start to have some ache around my thumb. We have a power brick to charge the battery, and a base plate. We have this long base plate or extender, whatever I want to call it. We have what else now? Let's see. We have this cute looking pouch here. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so don't let me pretend I don't know what's in there. So we have cables in there that are nicely packed. We have another base plate, and let's see, we have some, what now? We have a hex wrench. Yeah, we have a hex wrench, or an Allen key, depending on what you want to call it. And let's see now, we have some other cables in here. We have the type C cable. We have a micro USB. We have one that is angled. And all right, so I really just have opened this and packed it back, then open it again just to show you guys. I really can't tell you what all this what they all do. I still have to take a little bit of time and read the manual. I always like reading manuals just to understand what the manufacturer has in mind when he was packing, or when he was putting this awesome looking box together. So I'm going to go through the manual and find out what all this are for. We have more screws, of course. So let's pack this to one side, and here's the gimbal now. Let's get it out, and it's out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Nice. So let's have the grip. Let's get the grip out too. Word of advice: please do not power on your gimbal until you have load that is balanced on the gimbal. Please, it's very important. I'm sure that's in the manual already, but I'm telling you this ahead of time. This is a follow focus. Follow focus comes with this package. There's a type C port for charging, and we have a trigger. Oh, nice. I like that. So we have a joystick here. Looks really nice. Reminds me of my drone. And yeah, basically, so we have 1, 2, 3, some modes, mode indicator or profile indicator. I mean, this is a really lovely build. I'm not going to do much. I'm not going to power it on or do any of that. Just going to pack it back for now. And once I'm done with this video, I'm going to get to using it, of course, after reading the manual. And yeah, once I'm done with that, I will get back to you on my experience with this. I'm sure it's going to be an awesome experience. And yeah, I hope you really found this video useful for first-time users or people that intended to get this. Don't forget to share, like, hit the subscribe button. That's very important. Hit the subscribe button. Right, so till next time.